Hi everyone. This week we are learning about personal financial literacy. So yesterday you watched a video about how our economy works. You learned some words like income, wants, needs, spend, save, and also the word charity. So today we are going to continue learning about income, and we know that income is money that we earn from a job that we do. So I earn income or money by being a teacher. So I get paid every month for being a teacher. But you might also earn some income by doing jobs at home, or maybe you get an allowance from your parents. And your parents also earn income. So there are many different ways to earn income, and we're going to read this book called Jobs and Money. So let's get started. Do you help clean the house? Do the dishes? Those jobs are chores. Most people have jobs. So even in our classroom, if we were still at school right now, you guys would have a job in the classroom. So I know in my class, every single student is given a job for the week. And it's really important that you do the job to your best ability, and then you get paid for it. A job is work. It pays money. Do you get paid for chores? So do you do any chores at your house and get paid for them? Most jobs give you a paycheck. So a paycheck is a little check like in the picture here, and it has the money that you earn from doing your job, and you can put it into your bank account. There are different types of paid jobs. A job can pay a salary. A salary is a fixed sum of money. So me as a teacher, I earn a salary. So that means I get paid a certain amount of money every year, and it gets split up between the months. So that's my income. Jobs in offices often pay salaries. You can take time off and still get paid. What job do you want? There is another way to get paid. A job can pay by the hour. This is an hourly wage. So this is another type of job. So this can be, a lot of jobs are like this actually. So if you work at a store or maybe a restaurant, you get paid hourly, meaning if you work for 7 hours a day, then you get paid for those 7 hours that you work. But you still are making income. Workers at stores sometimes get paid hourly. Hourly workers don't get paid if they do not work. How would you like to be paid? Do you want a job? Ask an adult how you can make money. Could you walk dogs? Could you have a yard sale? What else could you do? So if you don't earn any income at home right now, maybe you could ask your parents if you could do some jobs or extra chores around the house and then maybe get paid a little bit of income. So here's the glossary. This was an informational text, which is nonfiction. So it has a glossary with the different words. So we have chores, fixed, hourly wage, paycheck, salary. And then it has an index, which is really, really cool because let's say I want to learn more about the word salary. I can look in the index and I see salary, and I see that it is on page 12 and page 14. So I can go back to page 14 and oh, it talks about salary. So the index is pretty cool. Okay, so what you guys are going to do, you're going to go on to Seesaw and you're going to solve some grocery store problems. So whenever you get your income or your paycheck, you have to spend it on your needs. So you need food. So no matter what, yes, you can save some of your money, but no matter what, you have to spend it because you have to buy those needs. So you are going to solve some grocery store problems, and you're going to need to use your addition and subtraction skills. So I hope you enjoyed this story, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!